Good morning, children. Today we are going to see that next unit, that is unit 18. Okay, unit 18, organization of tissues. Okay, it is page number in 210. Okay, organization of tissues. So, see that organization of tissue. So, what is mean by tissue? So, tissues are a group of cells or designed to perform a particular function that we already know. That is organ systems means what? Organ system means group of organs that join together, united together to form a particular function. Likewise, tissues means it's a group of cells. Okay, tissues means group of cells. It is designed to perform a particular function is called tissue. Okay, so it may be plant tissues are there, animal tissues are there. First, in this lesson we are going to see first plant tissues. Okay, so plant tissues are that is the plants are made up of vegetative and reproductive tissues. So what is, what is that vegetative tissues and vegetative part and reproductive part of a plant, that and all you studied in lower classes. Okay, so plants are made up of vegetative and reproductive tissues. Okay, so there are two types. Okay, plant tissues are there are two types in plant tissues. First one is meristems. Okay, meristems. Then the next one is permanent tissues. Okay, the next one is permanent tissues. Plant tissues are classified into two. First one is meristems and second one is permanent tissues. Okay, so again that meristems are again classified into three: apical meristems, intercalary meristems and lateral meristems. Okay, meristems are again classified into three: apical, intercalary and lateral meristems. Okay, then permanent tissues are again classified into two. First one is simple tissues, second one is complex tissues. Okay, simple tissues and complex tissues. So again that simple tissues are classified into three: parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Okay, so in complex tissue, xylem, phloem, that and all come into the complex tissues. So this is the overall chart, that concept map for this plant tissues. Okay, so plant tissues are classified into two: meristems and permanent tissues. Meristems are again classified into apical, intercalary and lateral meristems. Then permanent tissues are again classified into two: simple and complex. In simple, parenchyma, there are three types: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And in complex tissues, that xylem, phloem, that and all come into complex. Okay, so this is the chart, overall chart for the plant tissues. Now we move on to what is first. First, what is meristems? Okay, so this that meristem, that meristem is derived from the Greek word. Okay, meristem, it is derived from the Greek word. So it means divisible or having cell division activity. Okay, cell division means it is said to be, there is a cell division, there is a division means it is said to be meristems. Okay, meristematic tissues are group of immature cells that are capable of undergoing cell division. So these are a group of cells. It having the capability of going cell division, that is said to be meristems. Then some characters of meristems are given. They are living cells. That cells are very small, oval. It may be oval or a polygonal or a round in shape. Maybe a small oval or a polygonal or round in shape. Okay, they have a thin wall, cytoplasm, nuclei and some small vacuoles are present in that what meristem. These are the general characteristics of meristem. So meristems means it is that group of cells that undergo cell division. Okay, so next we are going to see about that classification, that is the three types of meristems. The first one is apical, intercalary and lateral. Then come to apical meristem means these type of meristems are found at the growing parts of a root or a shoot. It can we can see this at a growing point of a root and shoot. Okay, and bring about increase in length. This is about apical meristem. The next one is intercalary meristem. So we can in intercalary means we can see it at the base of a leaf. We can see these types of tissues in the base of the leaf or the base of internodes. Okay, in the base of internodes. Okay, then this intercalary meristems or lies between the region of this permanent tissues and a spot of primary meristem. Okay, these are the things given in your book about intercalary meristem. Then the third one is lateral meristem. So these are all arranged parallel, and it is a cause for the thickness of a plant part. Okay, lateral meristem, it is arranged in parallel. These are arranged parallel, and it is the causes the thickness of the plant part. Okay, so these are about the meristem. So cell division, it undergoes cell division. Then general characteristic given. So it is a living cells. Cells are small, oval or polygonal or round shape. It have a nuclei, vacuoles, cytoplasm, or that and all given. They do not store any food material. It important note. They do not store any food materials. Then it is classified into three: apical, intercalary, and lateral meristem. Okay. Next one is permanent tissues.